Sustainability is one of those buzzwords that we hear all the time in Vancouver, but we don't always see action. Well, we found two guys who are making what might be the most Vancouver of supplements. It's vegan, it's recycled, and it's made from craft beer. Let's go check them out. Thanks for seeing me today, guys.
You're welcome. Thanks for having us.
So what are spent grains?
It's grains that we've taken from the brewing process as they've been discarded. And we take that and we upcycle it and keep it in the food loop. And we try and prevent it from going to landfill or to farms and try and keep it in the primary food loop for human consumption. So we're upcycling it.
So because they're spent grains, does that mean that they're empty?
Not at all, actually. So the brewing process only takes a certain portion of the nutrients from grains, in this case barley. But what it does, that process of steeping it in the hot water actually unlocks a lot of the nutrients and makes it much more bioavailable to humans. Specifically the amino acids, for example, are much easier to digest.
Okay, so I've made beer, and I know that when you're finished with it, it doesn't look anything like this. It's like a soppy, soggy oatmeal consistency. So how do you get it to here?
We grab it as quickly as possible and dry it. So it's shelf stable. And that's just the beauty of this product is you create a shelf stable product that people can use at any time, really, within a year or so, into any food.
Really high in fiber, both soluble and insoluble, pretty high in protein, lots of amino acids, so it's actually a very, very overlooked source of nutrients. And that's what makes this product super unique, because spent grains by no means are a new thing, but the creation of a shelf-stable, predictable, usable product is sort of new, and that's sort of the space we're playing in.
So really, guys, you're solving a problem by upcycling this waste product.
I would say this is cutting edge.
Yeah, we're cutting edge.
Oh, absolutely.
We're cutting edge.
Because drying has been the biggest barrier in the past, and we've solved that problem. So now we're able to make this unique product. I would say it's unique.
Okay, so now that we know what it is, are you in the market already?
We are not in the market yet. We have a few restaurants playing around with some of our products and getting back to us with their feedback. The juice truck is interested to.
How are they going to use it?
So they're talking about using it as a fiber supplement shot in their smoothies, which we think is probably one of the best uses for this, because it's going to be the spent grain in its purest form.
Okay, guys, so what do we have on the table here?
So this is biscotti. We've got fudge, 3 different types of crackers, brownies. This is our granola, and our fiber protein powder.
We have to source our grains from local breweries, and that's part and parcel of this whole business model is getting the grains from local places, because you only have a few hours until it actually starts to turn and become basically inedible and unusable for human consumption.
So while these two are solving all sorts of problems, with a bit more polish and a bit more attention, it's pretty clear that Upcycle Grains are going to finally get us beer for breakfast.
I like that one.